Hello and welcome to all. Hope you have gone through yesterday's video related to the methodology about the conduits, cable tray, and the cable installation. Please check all my previous videos, whatever already uploaded in the uh, YouTube channel, my YouTube channel. And if you want to get this kind of videos continuously, then don't forget to subscribe. So subscribe to my channel and get all this knowledge continuously for lifelong. And don't forget to share your comments, okay? Because everybody is learning, you also learning, and I am also developing my video in a greater way, better way, so that you will get the values. So share your comments and let me know which topic you are interested, and accordingly I will bring all those things. And one thing I have to tell you that if you are watching these videos from your mobile, that is okay. You can carry your mobile anywhere and anytime you can watch all those videos. But it will be better if you watch from laptop or a bigger screen so that you will get more clarity and the more visibility. So it will be better if you watch these videos, because in the later stage I'll bring some more detailed analysis about the technical part, the managerial skills, and the many more things. Okay, and right now what series I'm going through, I want to give you a better understanding how you are going to use a tool like ChatGTP we are going to use it right now. So how this particular tool give you more clarity about your technical knowledge. So let's start this particular today's video. I'm going to discuss about the methodologies about panel installation, termination, and the testing. So I will not teach anything. Okay, the ChatGPT will teach you, and you will learn by yourself also by putting some right information, putting some right inputs in this particular tool, and accordingly you will get the result. So let's go through in details. Okay, I just gave a prompt here. Just I'm going to share my screen. What I'm just put a prompt here. Could you please provide me with a deeper understanding about methodologies for panel installation, termination, and testing? Let's see what will come. We'll learn from ChatGPT right now. So you are not learning from me, you are learning from the tools. So step-by-step methodologies, QOQC checkpoints, safety measures, and reference standards you can apply on site. The same way what we have gone through yesterday's methodology, the same way you can get information about the other subsystems and the subsystems also. So here the panel installation methodology, what is giving that pre-installation checks, the review, approved drawings, check GA drawings, panel schedule, and load distribution diagram, verify the panel rating, main, sub-main, distribution, lift panel, HVAC, firefighting panel, PHE panel, STP panel. Okay, as per design. So whatever the structure of your project and the MEP structure, what are the systems are using for all those systems, electrical supply sources are required. And the site readiness, civil, room completion, room finish, wall plaster, waterproofing, that will be the sequence when you get the front to execute your work. Adequate space for cable bending, radius, and front or back clearance as per IS 8623 or IEC 61439. These codes and references will be mentioned in the contract document or the specification. Accordingly, you have to refer. Floor level and embedded base frame availability, earthing pit and the bus bar proximity verified. Then is a one by one it will come. Okay, these are the cascaded activities you have to describe in the methodology document. and you can give some of the snapshot also for different items. So it will give you more clarity and visibility to your client, to your vendors also, because these are the documents you have to prepare before starting up the project, and these documents need to be get it approved from your authorities, from your clients. So what are the material inspections? Whenever the material will come at site or the project, you have to verify the panel nameplate, make type test certificates, and the internal wiring diagram. Although all those happened in the factory during testing. Check incoming outgoing breaker ratings, bus bar size, type of paint, and the anti-corrosive coating. Ensure gland plates and lifting hooks are intact. Next, installation procedure. If you, I'll not read each and everything, just you need to go through one by one. And that is the reason I told you need to go through laptop or the bigger screen, because maybe in mobile these words may not be visible, but you need to enlarge the screen and read out properly. So installation procedure, well, I'll just go through the this main headings. Base channel mounting, whether base channel is fixed or not. Then you need to check fix ISMB base frame on foundation bolts grounded with epoxy, level base frame using spirit level so that it will be aligned. Panel placement. Suppose lift panel using chain pulley or hydraulic trolley as per manufacturer's lifting points, align adjacent sections and bolt them together, because panels will come in a different sections. Okay, you have to connect all the sections in your project. Ensure vertical alignment using a plumb bob. Earthing connections. Connect panel body to separate earth flat using GI or copper strip. That depends on the design, which type of earthing material is required. Then maintain bolted joints with anti-oxidation compound and spring washer. So wherever it is bolted joint somewhere, maybe it is the welded joints. That depends on the specifications mentioned in your particular project. Then cable glanding and the dressing. Provide appropriate gland size and the ferrule marking as per the cable schedule. Dress cable neatly with cable ties and saddles, maintaining phase sequence, panel identification, fix engraved level plates, panel name, feeder details, voltage rating, source, or node identification. Then safety and quality checks. Check insulation resistance, all busbar before energizing. Verify torque of all busbar and breaker terminals using calibrated torque range. Ensure all shrouds and covers are in place. So these are the main topics. If you want to go more in this individual segment, so you will get a idea how to prepare methodologies. Now you have to add on based on your experience, based on your project requirement, which is mentioned in your contract document. And you need to discuss with your design team, with your, if you are a novice, just started career, you need to discuss with your seniors. They can guide you and help you. Uh, there is definitely someone already prepared this in previous projects. So you can get the format or the framework from them, and based on your project requirement and based on these guidelines, you can prepare the methodology, panel installation methodology. Same methodology you can apply for the other systems also, like cable termination. So some of the projects, even most of the projects, and for the bigger companies, you have to produce, you have to submit the methodologies, because client want to know how to execute before starting of the job. Okay, if the particular project need to be run smoothly, then all those systems need to be placed before starting of the project. So it is mandatory for bigger projects to prepare this kind of methodologies. The same sequence here also following for the cable termination. Confirm the preparation, in preparation, what type of cable, the confirm cable type, whether it is XL, P, armored, copper, aluminum, as per the approved cable schedule. Cut the cable to the required length. Use cable stripping tool to remove the seal without leaking conductors. Termination process. So for power cable, there is certain guideline. For control cable, there is certain guideline. And the earthing of the cable glands, how you will execute earthing for earthing of the cable glands. Ensure the gland body is connected to the earth continuity conductor. And QC points, verify phase sequence and tagging on both ends. Cross-check terminal marking against as-built SLD. Ensure no bare conductor is exposed outside the lug barrel. Maintain bending radius as per the manufacturer's recommendations, usually 12D, not greater than equal to 12D for power cables. Then we have come to the next methodology, or you can say it's a ITP, installation, testing and commissioning procedure, or testing and commissioning methodology. So testing and commissioning methodology for pre-energization test conducted as per IS 732, IS 3043, IS 8623. Now, when you search, give me more details about IS 732 in this ChatGPT, then you can understand what is there inside IS 732. Okay. The same way you can search and get more knowledge. And the OEM recommendation. OEM means the manufacturer, main manufacturer. They have a certain parameter, they have a certain testing procedure, obviously based on the codes and standards, what is available in Indian standards or European standards or the US standards, that has to be mentioned, or the British standard. The test, there is a various tests out there, insulation resistance test. Now, if you understand and get more knowledge about insulation resistance test, okay, that the same way you can give a prompt in the ChatGPT. It will, if you don't know anything about how it is, how it looks like, okay, how to execute, what is the methodology to use to execute this test, then go through and get the knowledge. Same the continuity test. Okay, so insulation resistance, what is the purpose? Check insulation health between phase and phase earth. What type of instrument are using? 1 kV or 5 kV mega, and acceptance criteria greater than equal to 1 mega ohm per kV of operating voltage. Okay. And your projects having all those has been defined in the specification or in the contract document. That you need to read first, and that you need to capture in your document. Now the continuity test, then earth continuity, functional test, busbar high potential test. Normally this high potential test has been conducted in the factory because that kind of setup not available in the initial stage of the project, even though later also was a part of the testing procedure in the OEM site, the factory. The phase sequence test. So these are the tests has been conducted for electrical part. Then commissioning sequence. Commissioning sequence, first visual inspection and the tightening confirmations on the bus bars, and then all these things has to be tight properly. Verify all test results are within limits. Connect power cable incoming ends with isolation. Energizing panel sections wise under supervision. Record initial current voltage VF, perfect and the loading parameters. Submit test report, commissioning certificate for client approval. Now, these are the documents you need to prepare. The checklist, as-built drawings. For handover process, you have to prepare the checklist, that installation, termination, the testing checklist, signed by QKC and the client, and who is taking the ownership of this entire package. That package manager has to be signed, the engineers, and you have to prepare the as-built drawing reflecting final cable size, routes, and the numbering, calibration certificates, test reports, and the handover certificate. And you have to mention these are the reference standards. These are the codes: IS code 732, IS 3043, IS 8623, so NFPS 70, BS standards. So these are the codes, as I told you already. Maybe a difference from project to project. It is varies from project to project. Okay, so that way you can now I will give you another prompt here. Let's see. I just ask, please give me a structured framework, panel installation methodology. Please give me a structured framework or a sample document or panel installation. Let's see. It is coming to my mind. It is coming to my mind to ask these questions. Let's see what will come. Okay. It is coming in the written form. Actually, I'm expecting from some sample in the snapshot, but it is not coming, but it is giving you more details. This particular prompt is giving you some more detail about the structure. Okay, the purpose, the scope, the reference, the responsibilities, tools and equipments, which was not mentioned in the earlier description, and what type of materials, procedures, site preparation, installation procedures. Installation procedures also giving some more detail. It is giving some more points. The terminations, testing, commissioning, quality, safety, and the documentation. Okay, it's okay, and it will give you the PDF format. In PDF format, this entire things will come in the PDF format, and you can download also from there. Okay, from now it is very much understandable that you will get anything from here. Okay, now I'm stop sharing. Come to the some more aspects about these things. See, I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, what I want to tell you, the same thing I am repeatedly telling you, that this is the technical things. Okay, this technical knowledge you are getting from ChatGPT right now, and there is some other AI tools also available. Okay, and they have a plenty of informations, plenty of data from the previous projects, from books, everywhere. So it's a kind of your mentor. It's a kind of your guide or a teacher. So you can just ask your teacher and you will get the information. It can be anything. But whether it will help you to increase your salary, whether it will help you to get a promotion frequently, or getting chances to get a job in a bigger company like L&T, Shapoorji, Tata Projects, or some foreign companies, Samsung, Bechtel. So you need to find out your way. You need to understand how you go to the next level and how fast you can grow. So based on my experience, I can tell you this technical knowledge is good. Okay. But as a human, you cannot learn everything by yourself. You cannot learn everything from everything about all the systems. Because I have worked in the different companies. I have worked in the different multiple type of projects. May it is an airport, may it is a hospital, it is a housing, township, power plant, commercial, malls. Okay, many kind of projects that I've gone through. And every project is different. And there is a lot more learning from every project. So whenever you are going to the field, if you are already working, then you have to be evolve yourself continuously. Suppose if you only focus on electrical or plumbing or firefighting, because I have seen many engineers, they having a knowledge of more than 20 years, 25 years, even to 30 years also, but they always focus in a particular subject only. And that is stopping their growth. That is the only thing they are stopping their growth. So you have to open your mind and you have to look around what is happening. So if you are going to be a great project manager in MEP domain, or if you want to become a uh, great leader in your domain, then definitely you cannot hang on with all the technical things. You have to be develop yourself in terms of project management, in terms of project manager skills, in terms of various self-development. You have to follow habits and you have to practice. Okay. You need to take guidance from some professionals and you have to find a mentor who can guide you for lifelong. So this kind of approach, if you have, and if you are a life learner mentality, then only you can grow in your career. Otherwise, only plumbing system, electrical system, ELV system, for firefighting system, HVC system, STP, all this knowledge, it is easily we can get. But whenever you are in jump in the professional life, okay, whenever you are executing a project, so you will facing a different challenges. So I have faced in my life the various challenges. If I will tell every challenges to you, you may get some knowledge, you will get some idea, and accordingly you will act in your current career or in your whatever project you are involved right now. Okay, but some of the special things you need to learn. So I will bring all those things also in the later stage, and I'm going to start a professional sessions. So I will declare later. So hang on with me till now, and you will get more videos and daily. So enjoy and share your comments. Okay, and what you want to know more, just let me know and put it in the comment box. That's it on today. Thank you.